Equations have quite a lot of weight, 7 marks. It is quite a number of marks that you can just let go. Alright, let's look at this equation from 2022 June examination. On the left hand side, it's sin x cos x plus sin x is equal to what is on the right hand side, 3 cos squared x plus 3 cos x. So to solve this equation, if we relate what we have here to what is on the right hand side, we can see that if we factor out sin x, we will have cos x plus 1, and if we factor out 3 cos x, we will have cos x plus 1, which means that it's actually telling us that we have to use factorization by grouping. So let's take everything to one side, that is sin x cos x plus sin x. If we bring to this side, it would minus 3 cos squared x minus 3 cos x is equal to 0. Factorizing by grouping, the first two, it's sin x, that is common, into cos x plus 1, and then we factor out negative 3 cos x, so we have cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. Factoring out this bracket, cos x plus 1 into, will remain with sin x minus 3 cos x is equal to 0. And then we apply the 0 rule, that is cos x plus 1 is equal to 0, or sin x minus 3 cos x is equal to 0. Continuing with this one, we have cos x is equal to negative 1. Our ref angle will be cos inverse of 1, and cos inverse of 1 is 0 degrees. Our ratio is negative, so it's referring us to quadrant 2 and 3. So in quadrant 2, we'll have our x being equal to 180 degrees minus 0 degrees plus k by 360 degrees, which is 180 plus k by 360 degrees, where k is an element of integers. And then in the third quadrant, it's 180 plus, so the solution is not going to change because 180 plus 0 is still 180. So this is the solution for the second end, and the third quadrant is the same solution. Alright, looking at this one, definitely we have to transpose negative sin, negative cos, negative 3 cos x, so it will be equal to 3 cos x. And this one is an equation whereby we have to introduce the quotient identity. So we divide by cos x, so it's sin x over cos x, that will be equal to 3. So this is giving us tan x is equal to 3. Then we go for the ref angle, which is the inverse of tan, the inverse of tan inverse of 3, which will give us 71.57 degrees. Our ratio is positive, that's the first and the third. So in the first quadrant, x will be equal to 71.57 this, where you can use an element of integers.
With the equations of involving time, one solution is enough to give all the solutions. In the third quadrant, we'll be adding 180 to this, which we can also get when k is 1. So one statement for the solutions will be enough in this case. That is how we solve this equation.